Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is aspire. Let's discover what this inspiring word means. Aspire means to strongly hope or strive to achieve something. It describes having ambition, setting meaningful goals, and working hard to make your dreams come true. Here's an example. She aspires to become an inspiring English teacher who helps students achieve their dreams. This means she has a clear goal and is working hard to make it a reality. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word aspire? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.